Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change SIM card icon in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To change our icon, we have to go to the settings option. We are looking for connections and SIM manager is hidden here. So tap it once, of course, and SIM manager options are here. We have our work SIM. This is dual SIM, so we have two slots. To change our icon, we need to simply tap it once and we can change how our icons look like. For example, to our work phone, let's change it to the office picture. Back out again, and our SIM card picture, our little icon, has now been changed. That is all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.